Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a square pattern. In a square pattern. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers. Natural numbers in a square pattern. For suppose I am passing number value is 5. My expected pattern is this format. So number value I am taking as a input of enter your number. For row value in range of starting number is 1 comma num plus 1. For column in range of 1 comma num plus 1. Print of observing very clearly in our pattern. This is a row. In that row, column values are same or different? Column values. This is a row. In that row, all the column values are same or different? First column is 1, second column is 2, third column is the column values are different. Okay, in that situation, with respect to row, the column values are different. In that case, we are using column represented value. In our logic, which is the column represented value? Or R or C? C. Simply we are printing C. End equal to space. That is the pattern. Completed. Okay, here with respect to row, the column values are different. That's why here I am using column represented value. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a square pattern. The pattern is different. Observing very clearly, same example, but here with respect to row, all the column values are same or different? Same. In that situation, with respect to row, column values are same. We are using row represented value. In our program, which is the row represented value? Either R or C? R. Simply we are using R. Okay, this for loop is represented for row. This for loop is represented for a column. Column represented C and row represented R. If you interest, we can take I, J. I is a row represented value. J is a column represented value. Now that is the pattern. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a right angle triangle pattern. In a right angle triangle pattern. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a right angle triangle pattern. Now observing very clearly, Right angle triangle pattern means, for suppose here I am taking as the num value is 5. This is my expected pattern. Okay. Now observing very clearly, the column values are depends upon the row value. Now observing very clearly, here r plus 1. Next one, with respect to row, column values are same or different? This is a row, only one column, that column value is 1. This is a row, two column values are 2. This is a another row, 3 column values are 3. That means column values are same. In that situation, simply we are using R value. Your assignment question. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a right angle triangle pattern. My pattern is write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a inverted right angle triangle pattern. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a inverted right angle triangle pattern. Now I want to get in this format. Okay. Now observing very clearly, row by row the numbers are decremented, but each and every row the number always starting with our given input number. Here observing very clearly, the column value starting number is num up to num minus r value is starting number is 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1. Now what is the value? 3. But my requirement num to 1. That's why I am using plus 2. Now num minus r means initially r value is 0, 1. Num value is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 num comma 6 means 5 to 6. But my requirement, I want to print it 5 to 0. How to print that one? Simply we are using r minus 1. Next one, decrementing the values. In the range function, 3 parameters option is there. Starting value, stop value, and step value. I want to decrementing one value. How to decrementing one value? Simply minus 1. Next, with respect to row, in our example, column values are same or different? Different. In that situation, we are using column represented value C. That is the pattern. Now observing very clearly. For suppose here I am passing the number is 3. For r in range of 1 comma 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. 1 comma 4 means r values are 1, 2, and 3. 4 is a stop value, that is excluded. Now initially r value is 1. For column in range of num value is 3, R value is 1, 1 minus 1 up to minus 1. That means 3 comma 0 comma minus 1. That means decremented by minus 1. That means what are the column values? 3, 2, 1. 0 is a stop value, that is a excluded value. Now column value is 3. Print which value is printed? C value here printed. C value means, what is the C value? 3. 3 is printed. Again control go to this for loop. Row value 1, post row 3 is printed. Next one, column is updated, 2. 2 is printed in the post row. Again control will go to for loop. Again column value is updated, column value is 1. Again control go to this for loop. If no more elements, 3 to 1 is over. Control will go to outside this for loop. This is a print statement. Again control will go to this for loop. Next one, R value is updated. Now R value is 2. Now observing very clearly, for column in range of num value is 3, R value is 2, 2 minus 1 up to decrementing by minus 1. Now 3 comma 2 minus 1 means 1. 3 comma 1 decremented by minus 1. 1 is a stop value, 3 is a starting value. 3 and 2. Only these two values are available. Next one, first one, this value is passed into column. Now print that value. Again control go to this for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 2. 2 is printed. Again control go to this for loop. But here 3, 2 is over. Now control will go to outside this for loop. Again control go to this for loop. Next one, take the another value. What is another value? 3. Now R value is 3. Now observing very clearly, 3 comma 3 minus 1 comma minus 1. 3 comma 3 minus 1 means 3 minus 1, 2. 3 to 2 decremented by minus 1. That means 2 is a stop value, 3 is a starting value, decremented by minus 1 means only one value is there, that is a 3. Now this value is passing to this column. Now that value is printed. Again control go to this for loop. If no more elements, control will go to outside this for loop. Again control go to this for loop. If no more elements, then immediately control will go to outside this for loop. Outside this for loop, don't return any logic, stop the execution. This is the execution. Your assignment question is, next another example. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a triangle, Floyd's triangle, or pyramid. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a Floyd's triangle or pyramid pattern. Num value is 5. Now observing very clearly, already last class we were discussing how to print the triangle pattern. Okay, my row contain two patterns. One pattern for spaces, another pattern for digits. Okay, how many spaces we want to printed for column in range of, okay, how many columns? Simply we are using num minus r because already r value is 1 starting. Previous example num minus r minus 1 we are using because in that situation r value starting number is 0. Now here already starting number is 1. That's why num minus r, that number of times, simply printing space and the end value is empty string. Same row continuation, I want to print it digits for column in range of starting number is 1 r plus 1. With respect to row, column values are same or different? Different. Now which value we are using? Column represented or row represented? Column represented. What is the column represented value? R or C? C. Next one, this is a print statement. Next another example. Write a program to print 1 to n natural numbers in a diamond pattern. In a diamond pattern. Now observing very clearly. Now observing very clearly. Post half of the pattern, your assignment question. Okay, previous assignment question. Now simply here we are changing C to R. Now your assignment question is over. Okay, next one. How many rows we want to print it? Second pattern. This is the second pattern. How many rows we want to print it? Our number is 5, but 4 rows we want. That means num minus 1. Now for R in range of, now observing very clearly, here the column values are printed in reverse format. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. In that situation, for suppose I am taking as a 1 comma num minus. For suppose we are taking as a num minus 1, 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 means 1, 2, 3. Only 3 rows. But my requirement I want to getting 4 rows. That's why I'm taking as a num. If previously we want to get the 5 rows, num plus 1. Now I want to get only 4 rows. That's why num. Next one column. First column for spaces. For column in range of simply R we are using because already R value is 1. Range of R means range of 1. 1 means 0 is the included value. Print space end value is empty. Next one for column in range of num minus R to 0. The last one, which one? 1. That's why I'm taking as a 0 and decremented by -1. My requirement, observing very clearly, every row, the value is same or different? Same. But I want to get the value is, which value? Which value? Reverse order columns. Previously, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse order. In that situation, how to print the reverse order? Previously, simply we are using directly R. Now, what is the value? Which value we are printed?
C, sir.
C value. We are printing C value, different values you are getting. Now this format you are getting. That's why always if you want to printing R value starting number is our num -1. That's why here I am taking as a which one? Num -1 to 0. Next one, R value is 4. Num -1 means 4. 4 times spaces are printed, but I want to print it only one time. In that situation, how to print that one? Num minus which one? R value. Num value is 5, R value is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Next one here. What is the value? R value already, which one? 4. Now simply we are using which one? R plus 1. 5 times, but it is executed only 4 times I want to execute it. Now starting number is I am taking as a 1 comma R plus 1. Now which value is printed? Row value. Num minus R. Okay. Here my requirement is decrementing. How to decrementing? Step value is -1. That is the pattern. Completed. Your assignment question. Completed. Next assignment question. Or suppose I am passing num value is 5. My required pattern is Okay, already these two programs already we are discussing. Just we are combining. Completed. Next another example. The program to print to a natural numbers row by row. That means for suppose I am passing number value is 5. 5 rows I want to print it 1 to n natural numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For suppose directly we can take the number value is 10. I want to print it up to 10. For suppose we can take number value is 20, up to 20 values we want to print it. Now observing very clearly, take the number as a input number. After that one, here I want to print it row and a column combination. How many rows we want to print it? Okay, 4 rows. Okay, how to recognizing 4 rows? For suppose I want to pass in 20. Now how many rows we want to print it? How many rows? 6 rows. How to finding that one? For suppose I'm passing number value is 30. How to print that one? How to print that one? For suppose I'm starting number is 1. My requirement pattern is starting value is 1. Now simply I'm using for loop. Now how to print that for loop or how to got the range value? For I in range of how many values? 1 comma. For I in range of 1 plus which one? 1 plus I means or suppose I'm taking as a J or anything. Now which value is printed? For suppose for I in range of, simply for suppose I'm passing num value is 5. Simply I'm passing num minus 1. That means I want to print 4 rows. Next one, post row, post column. What is the post row, post column value? Now R value starting number is 0 for column in range of which one? 1 to, for suppose I am taking as a one default value A equal to 1. Now A plus 1. Now print of column value, end value is space, next print of. Before that one, I am updating the A value. Okay, how to updating the A value? A plus equal to 1. Next one, print. Now, every time we are printing C value. But here, observing very clearly, A value is, column value is 1, starting number. But my requirement is A value I want to starting. But I want to print it column wise values. I want to print it only one column. Next, how to print that one? Num minus 1 means num value is 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. Totally 4 rows we want to print it. Each and every row column value in range of A value. Now which value is printed? C. Now A value is which one? Initially 1. 1 comma 2 means 1 is included. C value is 1 is printed. End value is space. Next again control go to for loop if no more elements. Next again A value is updated. A value is 2. Control go to this for loop again. I value is updated. Now starting number is 2 comma. Here what is the value? 3. 2 plus 3. That means only 2 is included. 3 is excluded. But I want to print it 3 also included. Now how to starting that one? For suppose here I am using plus 2. Now what will be happen? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now how to print that one? Yeah. Num minus A plus 2. Minus num minus how to print that one? First value only 1. Next one 2, 3. Next one 4, 5. But here also 2 is printed. I want to print it this 2 here. Next one 2, 3. Next one 4, 5, 6. How to print that one? See? R. R add on how to print that one? For suppose plus I plus 1 I am using. Now what will be happen? Here I am printing which value? I value. 1, 2, 3, but I want to print it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how to print that? Okay, first one is ready. 2, 3 is ready. Now I want to starting number is 4, 4, 5, 6. Next one 7, 8, 9. How to print that one?
See when the A plus one come out.
For C in range of
A plus one.
A plus 1. Here,
Yes.
now how to printing that one? ఇక్కడ okay, this pattern is ready. 1, 2, 3 is printed. Next we are eliminating this 3 value. Next we are adding one value to this one, 4, 5, 6. How to print that one? For suppose here I am starting number is 1 comma num plus 1. Next one I value is 1 always. Now A value is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay, up to now this pattern is 1, 2, 3. Again 3 is printed here. How to remove that one? ఎక్కడ ఫర్ అర్థం కాల ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫర్ ఐ ఇన్ రేంజ్ ఫర్ ఐ ఇన్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ okay, every row is started with a new number. First row starting with 1, second row starting with 2, third row starting with 4. That means this 4 value is next to the previous last element. Now how to print that one? ఇది ట్రై చేయండి లేకపోతే నేను తర్వాత చెప్తాను. ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్, write a program to print lowercase alphabets in a square pattern, in a square pattern. Or suppose I am passing number value is 5. 5 lowercase alphabets I want to put it in square pattern. This pattern I want to print. Okay, observing very clearly, already we will discussing one function in Python. What is that function? CHR function. The CHR function takes the parameter as ASCII value to print the alphabets. Now, for a row in range of num, again for column in range of num, I want to print lowercase alphabets. Okay, lowercase alphabet ASCII value is starting from 97. Lowercase alphabets plus I want to adding C value. Okay, why we are adding C value? With respect to row, column values are same or different? Different. That's why I'm using column value. End equal to space and print. Now I'm passing 5. Now this is the output. For suppose I am passing 26. Okay. Completed. Next one, write a program to print uppercase alphabets in a square pattern. Completed. Now observing very clearly, same square pattern, but I want to print it uppercase alphabets. Uppercase alphabet ASCII value starting from 65. Now with respect to row, all the alphabets are same or different? Same. That's why which value we are adding? Row value or column value? Row value.
So that 65 plus R logic, can you please explain once?
65 is a uppercase alphabet ASCII value. 65 means capital A.
Yes, plus R, why?
Here my requirement is within the row, all the column values are same. That's why I'm using R value. Initially R value 0. Okay, how many number of times this column is executed? 5 times. These 5 times I want to adding only uppercase alphabet A. 65 plus 0, 65 plus 0, 65 plus 0, 65 plus 0. Again, control go to this for loop, R value is updated. Now R value is 1. Again 5 times, 65 plus 1, 65 plus 1, 65 plus 1. 65 plus 1 means 66. 66 means B. In the previous pattern, here I am using C because in my pattern, within the row, column values are different. That's why I am using column represented value. Within the row, column values are same. At that time, we are using row represented value. My row represented value is R. For suppose we are taking as I and J, I is a row represented value, J is a column represented value.
Understood.
Write a program to print lowercase alphabets in a right angle triangle pattern. Okay. Here I want to print it lowercase alphabets in a right angle triangle pattern. In the right angle triangle pattern, the column values are depends upon the row value. That's why I'm taking as a r plus 1. Within the row, which alphabets we want to print it? Lowercase. That's why I'm using 97. But within the row, column values are same or different? Different. Which value we are using? C. Next, another example. Write a program to print uppercase alphabets in right angle triangle pattern. Okay, same previous example, just we are adding 65 plus which one? R value. Okay. Next one, another example. Write a program to print uppercase alphabets in a inverted right angle triangle pattern. Inverted right angle triangle pattern. Okay, observing very clearly. Here, row by row, the column values are decremented. Now, how to take that one? Num minus R. Next one, which alphabets are printed? Uppercase alphabet. Uppercase alphabet ASCII value is 65. But with respect to row, column values are same or different? Column values are different or same? This is your row. Row contains 5 columns. These 5 column values are same or different? Different. Now which value we are added? C. Uppercase lowercase alphabets. Next assignment question. Write a program to print the palindrome words in a given string. In a given string. Write a program to print palindrome words in a given string. Palindrome words. My expected input I am passing. Okay, this is my చెప్పారా అర్థం కాదా స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకుని అందులో ఉన్న పారాగ్రాఫ్ ప్రింట్ చేయడం ప్రింట్ చేయడం చెప్పాను Okay, next class we will starting string pattern and alphabets printed in stars.